When used correctly, a fire extinguisher can help prevent property damage and save lives in case of a house fire. We researched and tested dozens of fire extinguishers, evaluating ease of use, effectiveness, and durability. Our best overall pick is the Amerex B500 fire extinguisher, a reliable option that works quickly on all kinds of fires and can easily be stored away when not in use. There are numerous options for cheap home fire extinguishers, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable home fire extinguishers from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Amerex B402. We chose the B402 for our recommendation because it contains a manageable amount of dry powder, 5 pounds, and the extinguisher's solid steel casing brings its weight up to nearly 10 pounds. It releases a forceful dry chemical cloud to swallow fires fast, but testers say that the cloud is also enough to swallow the person spraying it, driving them from the room. The spray also leaves a substantial mess behind. Amerex extinguishers are fully rechargeable, which is nice, since they're the priciest fire extinguishers on our list. But we recommend double-checking the tamper seal and the pressure gauge if you buy your Amerex on Amazon, as Amazon customers report receiving recharged extinguishers with broken seals or without a full charge. Number 2. First Alert S Fire Spray. This portable fire extinguisher is also non-toxic, and its extinguishing agent leaves a dry residue that you can wipe up easily. It's rated for Class A, B, C, and K fires, so it's great to keep in the kitchen. You'll want to keep a bigger Class K fire extinguisher like the Amerex B260 in the kitchen too, just in case the S fire spray runs out before the fire goes out completely. The First Alert S fire spray has been tested to the qualified performance requirements of all 711, all 711A and Kidde FA110 by an independent nationally recognized testing laboratory, NRTL. It's important to note, though, that this product isn't called a fire extinguisher. Instead, it's called an extinguishing spray. Number 3. First Alert Standard Home Fire Extinguisher. Despite its low price, the First Alert Standard Home Fire Extinguisher's extinguishing agent is still rated to handle most home fires, including fabric, wood, paper, flammable liquids, and electrical fires. It's rechargeable, but the cost of recharging is high enough, and the cost of this extinguisher is low enough that it probably makes sense to just buy a new one after you use it. Lightweight option. With its aluminum casing, it's not as sturdy as the Amerex, but it's lighter and a more portable extinguisher. It's a good choice if you have kids or older adults in your home who might not be able to lift a heavier extinguisher. Number 4. Kidde FA110. If you plan on buying a fire extinguisher for your home, it's important to choose one that is easy enough for everyone to use. The Kidde FA100 weighs just 2.5 pounds and measures 3.25 x 13.75 inches, making it lightweight and compact enough for adults and children alike to operate in an emergency. It also uses a handle and lever system that can be operated with one hand, that way you can direct everyone outside or close the door to contain the fire. It's rated for most common household fire sources like paper trash fires, electrical sparks, and even gasoline. It includes a wall mounting bracket for more placement options around your home, and easy access in emergency situations. The easy red pressure gauge lets you know at a glance if the extinguisher is in good working order, or if it needs to be replaced. Unfortunately, the FA110 is a single-use extinguisher, meaning that you cannot have it recharged by professionals. But at about $20, the FA110 is affordable enough for regular replacing. Number 5. First Alert AUTO5. Fires aren't just an in-home hazard. The First Alert AUTO5 is a Class BC extinguisher that is meant for oil, gasoline, and electrical fires, making it perfect to keep on hand for roadside emergencies. It measures just 2.9 x 10.3 inches, making it compact enough to keep in your glove box, center console, or seat pocket for quick and easy access. It also includes a mountable safety bracket for off-road vehicles like Jeeps, dune buggies, and Humvees. The AUTO5 is rated for storage in temperatures ranging from -40 to 120 degrees Fahrenheit, -40 to 49 degrees Celsius, which means you can leave it in your trunk or backseat all year long, without worrying about it losing effectiveness. And while it's not rechargeable, at around $20, the AUTO5 is easy enough to replace if needed. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching.